In this video, we will talk about how to convert base 3 numbers to base 10 numbers. So I have a few examples for us to work through here. Let's check out the first one. Let's say we have the base 3 number 2, 2. And I've written a little 3 right here to indicate that it is a base 3 number. How can we convert this to a base 10 number? Well, the trick is recognizing that the first digit on the far right here represents some value multiplied by 3 to the 0 power. And the next digit represents a value multiplied by 3 to the first power. So what we do is we say this value, so this 2, we multiply it by 3 to the first. Then we add it with this value, so this 2 multiplied by 3 to the 0 power. So what do we get? Well, 3 to the first is 3, so 2 times 3, this is 6, plus 3 to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is just 1. So really this is 2 times 1, which is just 2. So our final answer is 6 plus 2, which is 8. So 2, 2 as a base 3 number corresponds to 8 as a base 10 number. All right, let's try another example. Let's say we have the base 3 number 201. How can we convert this to a base 10 number? Well, remember the trick. This value on the far right is going to be multiplied by 3 to the 0 power. This next value will be multiplied by 3 to the first power, and this next value will be multiplied by 3 to the second power. So notice the pattern, we're just starting with an exponent of 0 on the far right, and each time we move to the left, we increase the exponent by 1. So we get 1 times 3 to the 0, so let's write 1 times 3 to 0, plus 0 times 3 to the first, plus 2 times 3 to the second. 2 times 3 to the second. So we're adding all these values together. So what do we get? 3 to the second, that's 3 times 3, which is 9. So 2 times 9, this is 18. Plus 0 times 3, that's just 0. Plus 1 times 3 to the 0. We said 3 to the 0 is just 1, so this is 1 times 1, which is 1. So our final answer is 18 plus 0 plus 1, that's 19. So the base 3 number 201 corresponds to 19 as a base 10 number. All right, let's try one more example. Let's say we have the base 3 number 1222. How can we convert this to base 10? Well, remember, this number on the far right will be multiplied by 3 to the 0 power. So we'll say 2 times 3 to the 0, and then we'll add this value, so 2 times 3 to the first power. Then we'll add this value, so 2 times 3 to the second power. And then lastly, we'll add it to 1 times 3 to the third power. So let's see what we get. So 3 to the third, that's 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27. So 1 times 27, that's just 27. Plus, we get 3 squared, that's 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 2 times 3, this is 6. Plus 2 times 1 is just 2. As our final answer, let's write 27 plus 18 plus 6 plus 2. Let's see what we get. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 2 is 23. We'll put the 2 up here. 2 plus 2 plus 1, that's 5. So our final answer is 53. So the base 3 number 1222 corresponds to 53 as a base 10 number.